Ever wondered how machines harvest and process faster than your eyes can follow? Welcome to FarmForce. In 2025, agriculture technology shakes, scoops, sorts, and even packs veggies with insane speed. Like farming thrills? Hit subscribe and ride along. We kick off in Poland, where the Weremczuk raspberry harvester hums like clockwork. With 120 horsepower under the hood, vibrating arms sweep rows and gently collect 1 ton per hour. What took dozens of workers a full day now finishes in record speed, keeping berries fresh before sunset. Rolling into Belgium, the DeWolf Quattro shows why size matters. Its 400 horsepower engine powers through 4 rows at once, lifting 80 tons of beets in a single day. Sieving webs shake dirt clean on the spot, so roots land spotless in trailers, ready to feed Europe's sugar factories. Next in France, carrots get the royal treatment. The DeWolf ZKI-VSE, running 180 horsepower, lifts 30 tons daily with twin cleaning belts that protect every root. No more broken carrots, just crisp orange rows moving from soil to store with mechanical precision. Celery is hand-harvested, washed with a mobile unit handling 1 ton per hour, then packed into 500 boxes right in the field. This harvest process locks in freshness, speeds up work, and guarantees consistent quality. Still here? Hit subscribe and join where agriculture meets heart. By hand, 8 workers manage about 1,500 stalks an hour. With the Sweer harvester, just 3 workers achieve the same result. This leap in agriculture technology saves labor, boosts efficiency, and delivers fresher produce to market. Now to Germany, where golden spuds roll like rivers. The Grimme Veritron 470 TerraTrack unleashes 435 horsepower, digging 4 rows at once and pushing out 40 tons an hour. Stones, soil, and tubers separate in one smooth pass, a machine farmers call pure satisfaction in motion. Shifting to California's Coachella Valley, Date palms stretch 75 feet into the sky. Workers ride mechanical lifts to cut bunches, hauling 200 pounds each. Within hours, the fruit is washed, dried, and packed, proof that even desert crops thrive when humans and machines team up. Across the southern states, peanut diggers churn the soil with 150 horsepower power. Blades lift plants, flipping them to dry in neat rows under the sun. This curing step is crucial. Too soon, and nuts spoil. Too late, and flavor fades. Timing is everything in this race. To finish, the Amada's 9,980 roars with 300 horsepower, sucking up 8 tons of peanuts every hour. Fans blow soil clean while conveyors load trailers non-stop. In just days, thousands of acres turn from dusty fields into mountains of ready-to-eat peanuts, proving farming's unbelievable scale. In Mexico's lemon groves, workers climb ladders with speed and precision. Each picker gathers up to 2,000 fruits per day, filling 400-kilogram bins. By sundown, more than 30 tons roll out of the orchards, powered by teamwork and machines that drive large-scale citrus farming forward. From orchards to pack houses, lemons move fast. Brushes clean 7 tons per hour, while AI sorters grade size and color. Only flawless fruit is waxed, boxed, and chilled. With 2,000 cartons sealed every hour, Mexico's lemons reach Europe and the U.S. at peak freshness. Over in Spain, juice plants roar with 200 horsepower extractors pressing 30 tons daily. Fragrant oils go into perfumes, while nutrient-rich juice hits global markets. By using every part of the fruit, Spain transforms citrus into a billion-dollar export engine. In Japan's tight fields, the TC-1010E shines with compact design and a 140 horsepower engine. 2 workers guide cabbages onto belts as the machine clears 15 tons per day. Built for precision, it keeps Asian farms productive without wasting space. At Hengstenberg in Germany, cabbage begins its tasty transformation. Industrial slicers powered by agriculture technology shred 40 tons per day. Salt is added, and fermentation takes over. Weeks later, jars roll off conveyors at 1,500 units an hour, turning raw harvest into a timeless dish loved for generations. If you enjoyed this ride, hit like, subscribe, and join FarmForce, where every harvest has a story worth telling. See you in the next video.